Welcome back. Well, today's show is all about showing you some affordable luxuries. And when it comes to wine, you don't have to spend a ton of money to actually get some really nice wines. A lot of wines have come down in price. It's a competitive market, so you can get some great stuff for under, $10-15. And Mary Beth at Red and White, a wonderful wine store in the Valley, is going to show us some of her favorites.
Being on a budget doesn't mean you have to drink bad wine. There is no such thing as bad wine. There's just things that are very well priced and very good. The first wine that we have today is from Argentina. It's light, it's crisp, it's a Santa Florentina Torrontés, and it's only $8.95. You'll enjoy this one with food or all by itself. The next one is Italy. We're kind of going to go a little bit around the world here, not just keep you in California. And this Italian wine, the Lagaria, is going to give you flavors of April, apricot, and some pear to it. And that one's only $9.99. The Le Grand Noir, which means black sheep, is a French Chardonnay. And this French Chardonnay has some lime and mango flavors, as well as toasted vanilla. Really easy drinking. Again, nice to pair with food or great to drink alone. That one is only $9.59. Our Hungarian Sweet Merlot. It's a semi-sweet. Most Merlots you're going to find you get a little bit more dryness off of. This one you're going to get a little bit more fruit forward, soft, smooth, and this is $8.99. And we're going to finish up in Spain. We have Mañana. It's a Tempranillo. You will find you're going to get hints of fruit on it. You are going to get some herbs. You also are going to find that there's ripe strawberry and plum. And this only retails at $7.19. Your friends won't know it. They can drink it with you yesterday, today, or mañana. Enjoy.